Hello folks, Waz here from B&B, and what do we have today? We have a Wrangler Jeep in for an upgrade. This had a modern sort of head unit but no Apple CarPlay. Customer wanted a reverse camera, but the module from the States for this plus a camera was getting quite costly. It actually worked out more convenient to have a KENWOOD 8021 unit with a reverse cam. So that's the reverse cam there working. We've managed to do the steering wheel, which was a mission because the parts are out of stock in the UK, but we sourced them from Germany, so they're working. And then he's got Apple CarPlay, all the usual that you would expect, plus Siri and so forth. If something like this interests you, give us a ring. Waz, B&B Audio Concepts, 02920 707 275. We are part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. This unit fitted by us gives the owner 3-year warranty. None of these eBay and Amazon specials where you get refurbed units or you think you're getting a deal, but it's actually 12 months. But that's after you get us to install it and pay us, then pay us to remove it. You then pay post office to send it back. When you get it back, then you pay us to refit it. So always bear that in mind and keep in touch. Thank you very much.